you can master your anxiety. You can stop anxiety for good and learn to control it. And I'm going to show you how in this video. The key to mastering your anxiety is learning specific meditation techniques that will train your mind to change the way you process anxiety. Now, that's pretty interesting. Change the way you process anxiety. What is anxiety? Now, you know and I know that when you feel anxiety, you get certain symptoms. You might have negative thoughts flowing through your mind. You might get anxiety or tension headaches or stress headaches. You might get sensations in your body. What happens when you experience these sensations and these negative thoughts? If your mind is not trained, you'll sink into them. Have you ever felt a, a pang of anxiety in your chest? And then, as soon as you've felt that pang of anxiety in your chest, you start to think negative things, and it becomes like a snowball rolling downhill. Things seem to get worse and worse and worse. Your anxiety develops, and before long, it's this nightmare. I used to suffer from extremely bad anxiety and actually had an acute stress reaction, which is basically extreme anxiety. At that time, I thought the absolute worst about everything. I thought my life was over. I thought it was game over. Until I learned to meditate. So if you suffer from anxiety and you feel like you're never gonna uh, get control of your anxiety, you're never gonna be able to stop your anxiety, the truth is that you can train your mind to master your anxiety. And I am going to show you how. Now, scientific studies prove that meditation has a profound effect on the symptoms of anxiety. All those nasty things that you know that you feel, that tension in your chest, those stress headaches, all that kind of crap. You know all those terrible feelings, the negative thoughts? You don't have to deal with that. You can take control of that through meditation. You can train your mind so that when you experience the onset of anxiety, you can cut it off. Just cut it off at its source. You can stop that anxiety. And the key is training your mind with meditation. Now, I'm going to show you and lead you through a meditation process that will empower you to stop anxiety when you feel it. So the next time you feel anxiety, bam, you can stop it. Now, take a moment to relax because I'm going to show you how to control your anxiety like that with meditation. Take a moment to relax. Close your eyes. Now, I'm actually going to leave my eyes open so that I can talk to you and talk to the camera. But keep your eyes closed or a little open and just at 45 degrees. Either way, make sure you're relaxed and you're not really focusing on anything right now. Now breathe. Focus on your breath flowing through your nose. Aim your mind at your breath as it comes through your nose. And just breathe. This is the first step. Just breathe. Notice the sensations of your breath. Can you feel your breath? Can you feel it flowing through your body? Just relax and let your breath flow freely. Now, what you're going to notice when you do this is that sometimes you have thoughts flowing through your mind. When you experience a thought flowing through your mind, the only thing I want you to do is imagine that you're zooming out of that thought. See the thought and say, this is just a thought. This is just a thought. Now continue to breathe. And if any other thoughts occur, zoom out. This is just a thought. Think that this is just a thought. Continuing to breathe, you may notice physical sensations in your body. If you've been stressed, you might have tension in various parts of your body, like behind your neck. You know that feeling when you've been stressed and you feel it behind your neck? Some people get stress behind the eyes. And of course, some people get stress headaches. The thing is, those are just sensations. A headache, tension in your neck, tension behind your eyes, just sensation. What I want you to do is when you notice a sensation, label it. Just say, this is just a sensation. Now continue to breathe. Let your breath come freely. Focus again on your breath moving through your body. Now this time, I want you to notice when an external stimuli disturbs you. When your mind goes to an external stimuli, like a sound or a sight or a feeling, label that as what it is. Say, that's just a sound. I'm hearing is just me hearing. And then return to focusing on your breath. Okay. So, this is where we are. You're focusing on your breathing. And then if a thought comes, you zoom out, see the thought for what it is, and say, this is just a thought. And then return to your breath. If you get a physical sensation in your body, zoom out, see that physical sensation for what it is, and say, that's just a sensation. And then return to your breath. If your mind wanders to an external stimuli, a sound, sight, etc., and say, this is just me hearing, or this is just a sight, and then return again to your breath. As you continue to do this, you are training your mind to be less disturbed and less reactive to various stimuli that cause you to feel anxious. You're training your mind that when these things occur, your mind will step back, relax, see things for what they are, and continue just to be in that Zen state, just breathing. Now continue to breathe and focus on your breath. Now what I'm going to do is lead you through a body scan meditation that will calm your entire body and that will help your mind to relax. Focus on the crown of your head. Feel the sensations there. Breathe in and imagine relaxing that part of your body, the crown of your head. Breathe out. Now your face. Feel the sensations in your face. Breathe in. Relax that part of your body. Relax your face. Breathe out. Now your neck, particularly on the back of your neck. Breathe in. Relax. Breathe out. And now your chest. Breathe in. Relax. Breathe out. And now your arms. Breathe in. Relax. Breathe out. And now your abdomen. Breathe in. Relax. Breathe out. Now your pelvic region. Breathe in. relax, breathe out. And now your legs. Breathe in, relax, breathe out. And now your feet. Breathe in, relax, breathe out. And now your entire body. Be mindful of your entire body. Breathe in, relax, breathe out. And now return to focusing on your breath. You might like to pause this video now and continue to meditate. With that meditation, you can train your mind to relax. Anxiety happens because stimuli come to you. Noises disturb you. Thoughts make your mind react. Physical sensations cause you to feel things. Not just a sensation, but it causes you to think things, even to remember things. Those physical sensations can cause your anxiety. When you do this meditation, you're training your mind not to react to those things. And that way, when something happens that causes you stress, somebody shouts, somebody does something that causes you stress, even though those things are happening, and God knows that things will always happen that could cause you stress in life. We all know that. Even though those things are happening, you can train your mind with that meditation to let those things happen, to not attach to it, and to stay relaxed even in the heat of the most stressful moment. Your mind is infinitely powerful. You can train your mind not to feel anxiety. I'm Paul from Daily Meditation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed that meditation. Please vote up and remember to subscribe. I really appreciate all your support. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.